These are the windows I'm going to be replacing because they're solid and have no vents, and it can get hot in there in the summertime if you're not using the AC, which I've still got to repair the AC on this. But these are the ones I'm going to the junkyard, and I found a set. Not too bad, they were $75 plus tax for both of them. So I'm going to get those and pop these out and install those in there so I have vents in the back instead of just this big piece of stationary glass. Quick video, guys. I'm just recording this because I started doing it and I already got one out. I'm removing these rear windows on these two-door Cherokees and putting the vent type windows. If you ever wonder how the vent type windows work and never seen them, they just kind of lock open like a rear truck window. They're one whole piece though. This is one whole piece. You get them out. See what I start doing here? I start at the corner, and you want to push the rubber out. Get you a chisel or a flathead screwdriver and wedge it there. Then do another one and wedge it up here, and then start getting that lip. See how it's over to roll down. Once you get it clear across the bottom, you'll be able to pop the rest out. Now when you get to where the window is here, it really won't want to roll. So what you want to do is have the backside undone and up to here, then just slowly pull it and the whole thing will come out. And just like that, once you get the bottom done, and this backside, it'll pop out at an angle. Sorry, my camera's shaking. And there you got it. Both of them are out. The rubbers are still intact. They can be reused. Nice. So I'll show you on my old ones what you want to do. You want to put a screwdriver on each side, or closer to the edge would be preferable. But you want to get this rubber to start to roll down on the outside of the body. Then you pull that screwdriver out, follow it all the way up. Once you get it to the end, push it up this side the rest of the way, it'll pop right out. So I'll show you what I'm doing here. You can use your thumb or the back of the screwdriver. What you want to do is shove it up. See how it popped down some? Shove it up. See how it goes down, and work your way down through. The further you get about halfway. It's a lot easier. You can push it with your thumbs a lot easier. And if your seals aren't like shriveled up from being exposed to the sun, it's a lot more pliable and easier to get out. So what I'm doing here is I got me a wedge in there. I slide it down to apply outward pressure on it. I'm taking the back end of this chisel and just pushing the rubber out slowly. And that's what I've been doing the whole way. A lot of people talk about using the string method to get these in, but I'm not. And I'm doing this by myself, which I could use the string technique, but I just haven't had that great of luck with it. What I do is get this side in, take the lubricate it well with soapy water, a spray bottle, and I take a screwdriver. I get the corner pulled in and pull it down. Then you go over to that side, get the corner pulled in and pull it down. Then you do your top or bottom, get it started, and shove it up, and then do the opposite one of what you did. Just get the screwdriver under the edge of it. Don't run it across the metal because it'll scrape it up. Just get it on the rubber and slide it all the way down. And then you should just pop in there. And just like that, boys, now your two-door Jeep Cherokee XJ has pop-out windows.